Sacred wounds are witnessed as our inner conflicts prevent us from realizing our growth and hinder the expression of our true potential. When we are not consciously aware of how we manifest in our daily lives, these inner conflicts create undesirable experiences that lead to stress. To resolve this stress, we unconsciously focus more on what we do not wish to experience. Operating at a frequency of resistance attracts more resistance in our lives, whether in relationships, at work, or elsewhere. Recognizing that resistance indicates a lack of acknowledgement of our growth helps us make every experience more effortless. This diffuses the energy of resistance and makes the journey of growth easier. What we resist persists, as per the law of attraction. Regardless of external circumstances, reflect on the harmony and love in your relationships, remembering that the world mirrors your projections. When we fail to recognize our emotions and inner conflicts early on, we create more intense situations that highlight this lack of acknowledgement. Each experience, whether in relationships or otherwise, reflects our internal conflicts, leading to repeating patterns. Changing the people around us doesn't resolve our issues, just like changing the mirror doesn't change our appearance. Understanding and healing our inner conflicts, rather than blaming others, allows us to see our true selves in our reflections. Unresolved inner conflicts become persistent wounds that prevent us from experiencing inner peace and can have a devastating impact. These painful experiences, often described as shattering the soul, can initiate a profound transformation, marking the beginning of a journey of inner growth. By recognizing and healing our issues, we elevate our energy from fear to unconditional love, dispelling resistance and fostering growth. We are all powerful beings, with each thought manifesting our reality. Our thoughts, whether positive or negative, charge situations with corresponding emotions, shaping our experiences. While any situation is neutral from a divine perspective, our judgments and emotions give it meaning, often leading to more trauma and drama. Our beliefs are formed from repeated thought patterns fixed in our subconscious mind. The soul, as an extension of the divine, seeks to understand its creator self by experiencing its perceived lack. To fully appreciate love, we must understand the lack of it. We forget our divine connection at birth, but our higher self retains this awareness, guiding us through our experiences. This perceived separation from the source creates limiting beliefs and emotions like abandonment, unworthiness, and guilt, which become ingrained in our subconscious and influence our lives. Recognizing our growth through these externalized inner conflicts is essential for raising our frequency. Quantum physics and ancient Vedic wisdom both acknowledge this interconnectedness. The Vedas identify 5 elements that form our existence: air, water, fire, earth, and Akasha, or ether. Akash represents the cosmic intelligence that connects everything in the universe. Akashic records, encoded in the ether, contain all knowledge of existence, including every thought, action, and event. They have been accessed and documented by various cultures and individuals throughout history. These records, often called the Book of Life, hold all information about the past, present, and future of everything that exists. By tuning into higher frequencies, we can access the understanding sacred wounds. Sacred wounds are profound emotional, psychological, or spiritual injuries that leave lasting imprints on our souls. Unlike ordinary wounds that might heal with time and care, sacred wounds often involve deep-seated traumas or pivotal life experiences that challenge our core beliefs and sense of self. These wounds are sacred because they carry a profound, transformative potential, acting as catalysts for deep personal and spiritual growth. The nature of sacred wounds. Sacred wounds can manifest in various forms. Childhood traumas, early life experiences such as neglect, abuse, or significant loss can leave deep emotional scars. Betrayals, experiences of betrayal by loved ones or trusted figures can profoundly shake our trust in others and in ourselves. Spiritual crises, periods of intense doubt, existential angst, or loss of faith can constitute spiritual wounds that challenge our core beliefs and understanding of the universe. Physical illness or disability, chronic illness or sudden disability can drastically alter one's sense of identity and purpose. These wounds are not merely obstacles to overcome, they are portals to deeper self awareness and spiritual enlightenment. By confronting and integrating these wounds, individuals can uncover profound truths about themselves and the nature of existence. The divine intent behind sacred wounds. The concept of sacred wounds suggests that there is a divine or higher purpose behind our most painful experiences. This perspective aligns with many spiritual and religious traditions that view suffering as a pathway to growth and enlightenment. Here are several interpretations of the divine intent behind sacred wounds. Catalysts for awakening. Sacred wounds often serve as wake up calls that jolt us out of complacency and prompt us to seek deeper meaning and understanding in our lives. Lessons in compassion and empathy. Through our own suffering, we develop greater empathy and compassion for the suffering of others. This fosters a sense of interconnectedness and shared humanity. Opportunities for healing and transformation. Facing and healing our wounds can lead to profound personal transformation, enabling us to shed old patterns and embrace new, more authentic ways of being. Pathways to self realization. Sacred wounds can strip away illusions and false identities, bringing us closer to our true selves and our divine nature. How sacred wounds propel the soul into spiritual expansion. The process of engaging with and healing sacred wounds can lead to significant spiritual expansion. Here are some ways in which this transformation occurs. Deepening self awareness. Sacred wounds compel us to confront aspects of ourselves that we might prefer to ignore. This deepened self awareness is the foundation of spiritual growth. Cultivating inner strength and resilience. By facing and overcoming our wounds, we develop inner strength and resilience. This empowers us to navigate future challenges with greater equanimity. Enhancing spiritual practices. The quest for healing often leads individuals to explore various spiritual practices such as meditation, prayer, or energy healing. These practices can deepen one's spiritual connection and enhance overall well being. Fostering authentic connections. Healing sacred wounds often involves seeking support and connection with others. This can lead to more authentic and meaningful relationships, fostering a sense of community and belonging. Embracing forgiveness and letting go. A crucial aspect of healing is the practice of forgiveness, both of oneself and others. This release of past grievances allows for greater peace and spiritual liberation. Recognizing the Creator Self. As we heal our sacred wounds, we begin to recognize our inherent divinity and creative power. This realization aligns us with our highest potential and purpose. The journey of integration. Healing sacred wounds is not a linear process but a journey of integration. It involves embracing both the light and shadow aspects of ourselves. Here are some steps in this journey. Acknowledgement and acceptance. The first step is to acknowledge and accept our wounds without judgment. This requires courage and honesty. Seeking support. Healing is often facilitated by seeking support from trusted friends, family, or professional therapists. Spiritual communities can also provide invaluable support. Exploration and understanding. Delving into the origins and impacts of our wounds helps us understand their role in our lives. This exploration can involve journaling, therapy, or spiritual practices. Healing practices. Engaging in healing practices such as meditation, energy work, or creative expression can help release and transform the energy of our wounds. Integration and transformation. The ultimate goal is to integrate the lessons and gifts of our wounds into our lives, transforming them from sources of pain into catalysts for growth. Embracing the sacred path. In embracing our sacred wounds, we embark on a path of profound spiritual growth and transformation. This journey requires patience, compassion, and a willingness to face our deepest fears and vulnerabilities. However, it is through this process that we come to recognize our true selves and our connection to the divine. Sacred wounds remind us that our suffering is not in vain but is a vital part of our spiritual evolution. By embracing and healing these wounds, we unlock the gateway to our highest potential, recognizing our inherent divinity and our capacity for infinite love and compassion. In this way, sacred wounds become not only our greatest challenges but also our most profound teachers and guides on the path to spiritual enlightenment.